fridge. Oh my goodness.
Mommy, I like the fridge.
Ikaw una kay I have motion sickness.
Ay, nauntog na.
No.
Awa.
Okay.
Hold on.
Adventure time, Julian. Agoy. Don't jump. Nice pa.
Ano yun? Grabe. Ano ba? Ay, yung bata yan. Wala. Dahil ka na yung sa barangay. Ay! Isa pa nag-guide kay mami.
Walk straight, Julian.
Hey.
Yes.
Hindi ka po sila nito na. Sabi na naman. So, wala na.
Mommy, I smell barbecued sausage.
Okay.
Hi. Translate it to Bisaya daw, be. Julian.
I smell, ano?
Translate it to Tagalog.
Naaamoy. Say, naaamoy.
Ayaw niya. Let's go.
Ano yan?
Na-open ko.
Pagdating sa taas, kain.
Higa.
Let's go back.
No.
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 Let's ready. Let's go back.
Then stay there and we walk.
Stay there and we walk. Hi guys! Nandito kami sa Sagpulon Falls.
Bawal na yata kayo po yan.
Si Mami.
Bawal, wala kami nalilig dito.
Lagi ba? Hi! Hi!
Hi! Hasaan. Heavy.
Ayan.
Asa to ano natin? Table.
Ito.
Ayan.
Say hi to my vlog.
Na, mahina na yung calls niya, no?
Kami pa ulit. Ay, nakikita din namin. Ito siya, 12? Hi.
11.
Hi, 11. Ano ba yung benta nito sa... Ano mo sa Eagles ba? Yung 10 niya. 10 Pro? 10 Pro nito? 10 Pro? Wala.
Meron yata.
1 lang yung benta. 16, 17. Mura yun.
Oh.
Dami, 6. Hindi na naman makuha ba? Hindi na niya magamit. Ay, ko siya. Ako din rin ka sa mga pita na ako. Baka kandi. Eat first.
Kalimutan ko. Hi guys! Ayan, sensya na po, naputol yung video po natin sa Sagpulon Falls. It was a really nice experience, but unfortunately, hindi kami nagstay na matagal doon. But overall, yeah, we had a good experience there, especially kay Julian, especially for him because it's his first time to see a waterfall. But he was a little bit sad, but then he get over it. I mean, he moved on. He was a bit sad because he was expecting yung waterfalls has a big splash from the tip down to the water streams, pero wala masyado. So I told him that I think it's because it was really hot and then the water evaporated, and then that's why the water is not so much falling down from above. So told him that, but don't worry, there's a small waterfalls at the side of the mountain. Yeah, may mga water streams or small waterfalls. He was amazed by that. At first he was sad, but then he was like, okay, it's fine. It looks nice, mommy. Then we had a splash in a swimming pool over there. Why is it there's a swimming pool over there? It's because guys, this is for the safety and security of the people. Secured sila. Kasi doon mismo sa waterfalls, na yung tubig doon, marami kasing accidents na nangyayari doon. So, in order to avoid these accidents, kasi marami daw kasi nalunod and this and that. So, to avoid this, might as well make, pools. Ayan, swimming pools. Yung water ng swimming pool is from the waterfalls. All the families and mga other people go swimming there. After that, I ordered food from my friend who has catering business. So, I ordered food from her. The food is delicious, by the way, except for the other one, but all is okay. Hindi kami nagstay ng matagal kasi we had a uncomfortable feeling over there. We just stayed there, I think, 2 hours. So yeah, we went back to the parking lot, and then my sister and my cousin talked and suggested that can we go to somewhere else. They said it's still early to go back and still early to go, to go home and relax over there in the house and do, whatever they're doing there. It's still early to go back and still early to go home. So they said let's go somewhere else, and then I highly recommend this place to all of you. Ayan, especially sa mga families, sa mga barkadas. Ayan, at yeah, it's really nice, guys, to go there and unwind and relax. And yeah, we went this place in Balingasag. You will see it. It's really nice and relaxing feeling over there kasi dagat. And then yeah, the view is really nice. It's really relaxing. But medyo bad timing kami kasi brown out doon banda. So we were craving halo-halo, and that day was really hot day. And then unfortunately, when we arrived there in Balingasag Boulevard, brown out, guys. So wala nag generator doon sa yung mga restaurant doon. So di sila makagawa ng ng halo-halo or ice cream. So I was like, okay. Then yeah, we stayed there I think almost 1 hour over there in the boulevard, and then we went to the city center, the city proper of Balingasag. At pumunta kami sa mall at doon kami nag-order ng halo-halo. And yeah, doon sa mall kasi may generator, so pumunta kami doon at nag-order kami ng halo-halo. Overall, sa aming pinuntahan sa Sagpulon Falls, sa Boulevard ng Balingasag. Overall, it was really memorable, unforgettable, at adventure for all of us. Ayan, and bonding namin. Yeah, it was really nice experience. And so yeah, check. So here is the video, guys.
Hey!
Wala, hilo.
Hey!
Oo, ngayon lang.
First time ko dito last.
First time ko din.
Ayun siya, no? Ay, ako may mag-video ko. Ambak niya ba? First time. Gagawin ko rin. Dito sila. Sino ba po?
Ah,
Kaya ito mo yun. Ambak sila, oh. Oh, sila ka? Ang ambak sila?
oo.
Sabay mo tingnan.
Ay, ito, may halo-halo dito, oh.
Ano? Halo-halo ang pansit o gano'n.
Kuya Jobber! Oo nga.
Let's see. May butanding! May butanding! Ano may butanding, mami? Wait. What? Julian! Come on, Julian, let's go over there.
Go to Lolo, go to Lolo. Lolo.
Diyan, gitna.
Lolo. Hindi na kasya dito.
Ay, naku.
Ano kasi una?